behalf of the Development Command, I seek to present you as a symbol of peace. You are peacemakers and ambassadors of peace. You are in the state to ensure peace and security of their property. If you bless it, and continue to remember us. Governor, Professor Mrs. Ngozi Odu, the SSR, the Chief of Staff to the Governor, Rivers State, the State Executive Council meeting, special advisors, gentlemen of the press, good afternoon, sir. I have already been introduced by the PRO as the 46th Commissioner of Police, Rivers State. I assumed duty barely about 2 weeks ago. And I am supposed to, first and foremost, pay my homage to you as the Chief Security Officer of the state and Chief Executive Officer. However, due to some unavoidable reasons, I couldn't be able to make it. As I assumed duty, I took over. We were summoned for an emergency meeting in Abuja, that I was able to come and see you privately, seek for your blessing before I traveled. And when I came back, I still came back and report to you that I am back. I want to come officially with my management team to formally seek for your blessing. So, of course, as you are aware, Rivers State has 23 local governments. And I was once here before as area commander of Oda. Then I was controlling almost 11 local governments, 17 DPOs. Now I'm here in higher capacity as a commissioner of police. And I don't want to, already I have hit the ground. I want to start doing the needful. But I cannot do it alone, and I cannot do it without your blessing as the father of the state. So that's why I fixed today to make sure that I visited with my management team out of your tight schedule. Thank you very much for finding time to attend to us, sir. The command, as apart from these senior officers I came with, we have 10 area commanders who are not here. We have 70 DPOs. We have about 15 tactical teams. And other units, mobile units that are deployed to Rivers to support us and ensure safety and security of lives and property. We are approaching Ember months. We are already in the Ember months. October, November, December. So we want to make sure that the Ember period is crime-free. We want to make sure that we have secured Rivers to make it crime-free before, during, even after the Ember month. So one of the strategies I want to adopt is one, synergy with supporting sister security agencies. I have already embarked on tour to collaborate with them for effective service delivery. I visited the Nigerian Army, Nigerian Air Force, and by next week we'll continue with our interfaith with the DSS and Nigerian Army. Thereafter, I will visit other paramilitary institutions. But I cannot go ahead to be visiting my supporting security agencies without coming to you as a father, to report myself officially, seek for your blessing, and at the same time, to tell you how far we have gone. With all intent and purpose, one of my vision is to adopt a community policing approach, because I know the little bit about the terrain. Police cannot be aware everywhere at the same time. But through effective collaboration and engagement with the communities, we can ensure safety of life and property. So the community safety partnership that I want to adopt is very key. We have community on one hand, we have the community, the partnership, and the safety on the other hand. We cannot ensure the safety of these communities without partnership. Partnership with security agencies, partnership with the community leaders, partnership with religious organizations, partnership with both state and non-state actors is very key to us. So, in order to achieve that, we have to go around, go on tour to all the divisions, even though there are too many, 70 of them. I can narrow it down to area command by area command to meet up with the community leaders, religious leaders, trade unions, all other critical stakeholders that can be useful to us to secure the state, to ensure safety of life and property. By doing so, we are in placing preventive or proactive security measures to nab any player in the board. And through this intelligence-led policing, through this community policing, we can reduce the level of the crime. We cannot have a crime-free society, but if we approach this community approach, by the grace of God, we can achieve almost 70 or 30% to ensure that the crime wave is reduced to the barest minimum. And the people will look at police as their friends, so that when they see something, they can say something. They will support us with critical vital information that can lead to maintenance of law and order in their respective communities. We cannot be perfect or 100% decent. Let me use that word. But we have a complaint response unit that was launched the day before yesterday. AG was represented by the AIGs on 16, and it was renovated by the UN and donated to the police as part of corporate social responsibility. Through that CRU, it's giving us opportunity to report the conduct of misconduct of any errant policeman. Such informations would be received, would be processed officially, and appropriate disciplinary action would be made against that errant police. One of our problems is that if reports of misconduct is made, mostly the public doesn't get feedback, or they don't follow it up. So through that conflict response unit, we think there's a cognate number, we'll be able to give the complainant a feedback on action taken so far about his complaint. If it is something that we can discipline the policeman, administratively we do it. If it is going beyond disciplinary measures, it can be charged to court. So we have an internal mechanism that will checkmate the excesses of our policemen. I want to assure you that as I come to the command, I want to believe that I came in peace, I want to work with you in peace, and I want to leave the state in peace. I only seek for your blessing, because blessing is for peacemakers. You should bless us so that we can achieve peace in the state, so that we ensure safety and security in the state. But I cannot do it alone. I need the support and collaboration of all the critical stakeholders in the state. Dear Father, we are your children. To ask someone to forgive is divine. If you have children, more than one, if one of them offended you, you flog him with one hand and embrace him with the other hand. So you carry everybody in the state as your children, and ensure that if we try to dress, our doors and windows are open for constructive criticism. You can call me to order, see what is happening at social place. There's a problem here and there. I want this thing to be done. But I want to assure you, sir, I'm a man of peace, and I want to ensure justice. Came here to serve justice. I want to ensure justice and only be done. That is why we are here. to pay our homage to you and seek for your blessing. Thank you, and God bless you, sir.